What's going on, guys? Zujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, we're going to be working on my single turbo 335. And in this episode today, guys, I haven't had many requests, but I've heard people talking on Instagram, talking smack about my hood exit, this, that, and the others. So I'm not naming any names, but if you guys didn't know, basically my hood exit right now is the downpipe that came with the On3 kit. What we did is we just flipped it upside down and we cut it. So really didn't cost any money, it came with the kit. But now it's time to upgrade to a sick custom pie cut welded exhaust by our buddy Ali. We're actually taking off the exhaust so that I could give it to Ali, and he's gonna cut off the V-band flange and he's gonna weld it onto the custom exhaust he's making me. I'm gonna get it off right now for you. There we go, she's off. So here it is. So I was just talking with Erwin, guys, and we are thinking that I'm actually just not even gonna put the O2 sensor onto the hood exit. It'll look really clean, and I already have it coated out anyways by my tuners. So Ali just got the flange cut off of my old exhaust, well, the old downpipe, while I was taking a quick snooze, guys. But he got it all cleaned up. Looks pretty good. Be back in my garage. Jeez.
Dual regulator, so we could purge the pipe. 1-degree like increments.
Yeah.
Then we could do 10 together to create a 90. We could create basically any shape. So as you can see, like we'll start one way, turn this way.
That looks
go all around.
so sick.
That's main piece, our first cut-off pie piece. This is actually a 4.5 degree, whereas all the others are 9, because we have a flat face going on to the V-band, and then that's the first cut, so it only has a cut angled on one side, the other side's flat. So this is actually a 4.5 degree. Mocked it up piece by piece until we have a good little section, just so I can put some tacks on, and then we can take the tape off. But yeah, just little. I use I don't know what kind of tape this is.
It's not electrical?
It's similar to electrical tape. It's just tape that doesn't really leave residue behind.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? Just so when you peel it off, it just comes off without leaving all the sticky.
When you're welding and stuff.
Well, we're gonna clean it with the acetone, but
for now,
why get it dirty if you don't have to? Bring the hood down a bit, and then we check through the hole that it's gotta come through. Yeah, so it's over there, so we slowly start building it up and up and up. Get the stainless tacked up the way you want, because when it works, kind of just how you want it to go around. Again, the better alignment and fitment you have when you put these pieces together, it's so much, like, the easier it gets to weld. So you basically make less work for yourself if you take a little bit more time in doing this. It's actually going to be good because when we have that exactly how we want, when we have the 90, we can literally position the 90 how we want, and we can measure from the bottom of the 90 to the face of the existing piece there, and then we can have basically our long piece, maybe like a 4 or 5 inch piece, to get it out of the hood before the 90 teardrop. You know what I mean? To the bottom of this, okay? So I think that's what we should do. We're gonna do a 5.5 inch piece, straight piece.
Okay.
Okay. That's gonna bring us like right up to here.
Where, like flush with the hood?
The bottom, okay, the bottom of the pipe. So here is gonna come up
5.5. So Ali's gonna mark a 6-inch piece just to be safe from there.
From the last piece we cut, we have a little bit of an angle, but that's good because we could really play around with it, see what looks good before we tack it up.
All right, so now we're back from the shop. Ali cut up the pipe. to around 6 inches. And now we're just mocking it up, testing the fitment. As you can see, we've got the... There we go. And then here's the 90 where Ali's gonna cut into the teardrop.
Is that how you want it? The teardrop is going to go whichever point of the teardrop is going to go directly to the center of 90.
Oh, I see what you mean.
So which way you want it?
I kind of like that how you had it, like going like kind of like parallel with the rectangle.
Focus.
Yeah, like that's kind of cool. That's equal, right, on both sides there?
What do you mean?
Like the spacing in between? I think that looks pretty cool.
Yeah. I just gotta make a plate for it, but
yeah. But I just like, you know what I mean? I want the gap here to kind of be the same here. That's perfect.
nice. And then we just get ready for the purge. Now, once it's all welded through, we're gonna cut it off for the teardrop.
Nice. Alright guys, so now we have it on the turbo. Ali's finished up all his welds.
Mark it and cut the fucking...
You've just seen the fitment. It looks really sick, guys. Ali did a really nice job. It's definitely worth it. So we just have the 90-degree left to cut. We just gotta mark it, cut it.
What are they good for?
But here's the fitment. I'll still show you guys. That's the fitment. And then we're gonna mark it and cut it. Right there. That looks sick. So it just goes over the hood a little bit, right?
Hmm?
So it's just like out of the hood a little bit.
Yeah, do you have your mark?
You'll see. Oh yeah, that's what it looks like after doing the purge.
Yeah, so the reason we purge it is there's actually a little bit here from the tack. See this black stuff? Is coke or sugar. So if we didn't back purge it, instead of like welds on the inside, it would have just all been like little tiny rock.
A few minutes later. Six hours later. Many hours later. Eventually.
so here it is. The exhaust is on. We cleaned it all up and it looks crazy. I don't know about you guys, but those pie cuts with the stainless. Here's a little teardrop we cut into it. Looks really aggressive. You see, you lower it down here until I get like a nice plate, guys, for it. I'm thinking because to cover up this huge rectangle, I'm gonna get a I'm gonna get a sick plate made, and then cover up the big rectangle. It looks sick, and then get a vent for the turbo, and no more holes in my hood, guys. And I got finally a proper exhaust, thanks to Ali. Blessing it up. Show you guys one more time. That looks so sick. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got some sick videos coming soon. I don't want to spoil anything, but I know you guys are gonna like it. Hope you enjoyed the custom pie cut exhaust made by Ali.
Remember to like, comment, subscribe.
Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you never miss an upload. It's been Dujo, guys. I'm out. Peace.